So I'm here with Brian West at NIWEEk, and Brian is an intern at NI. He's going to talk a little bit about the project he's working on. Go ahead, Brian.
That's right, Nick. So here I'm showing my autonomous vehicle that I've created this summer. It's centered around the new single board Rio, which you can see displayed here. So I'm using that board, the FPGA on the board, to output the control signals needed to the steering servo and to the motors to control the vehicle. Then running on the real time on the single board Rio, I have higher level VIs which acquire the data from my sensors, analyze that data, and then determine what kind of controls they want to output to the FPGA. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of that right now.
Okay.
The vehicle right now is set to do obstacle avoidance. It'll attempt to drive straight. If it sees an obstacle in front of it, it'll steer to avoid the obstacle. And if it gets too close to an obstacle, it'll go into an emergency mode where it'll stop, back up, and attempt to maneuver around that obstacle. So you can see it now, it's driving around. If I attempt to get in front of it, it'll avoid me as an obstacle. And then it'll stop if it gets too close. Back up and try to get around it, as you can see. So catching it can sometimes be a bit of a challenge.
Yeah, I got to walk after it. Actually, to get my film here. Video.
There we go.
All right. So, how does it know when to start? Is it just based on a switch?
For starting up?
Yes.
It starts on boot of the single board Rio. I wrote my VI and then I deployed that as a startup application.
What's a VI?
So a VI is a virtual instrument.
Okay.
In LabVIEW language, that means a program, basically.
Right.
So my program is set to start on boot up with the single board Rio.
Okay. How long have you been working on this?
It took me 5 weeks to build this car.
Okay. And your internship at NI is how long?
12 weeks total.
Okay.
So I spent the first 6 weeks being taught LabVIEW, and then I spent the next 5 weeks building the car. My final week gets to be here at NIWEEk, where I get to show it off.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.